Good morning. Today we're going to talk about how to copy and paste within Google Slides so that you don't have to retype everything to go from your planning page, which is this one right here, to your paragraph page, which is this one down here. It would be really hard work to retype all this work that you already worked so hard on. So we're going to make sure that we all know how to copy and paste into the paragraph down here. Okay, so as you can see on the left, I have all of my slides. Slide 8 is my planning slide that I'm focusing on right now. And slide 11 is my paragraph slide, where is the goal for everything to come together over here. Here's how I'm going to copy and paste. I'm going to click the text box. That makes my cursor appear. I'm going to click at the beginning of the text box. And then the way you highlight text is you click and drag it over. Do you see how it's highlighting that? It's a little hard to see because it's blue on blue. Now that is highlighted. Then I'm going to go to Edit, Copy. So now it has copied that text into the magical computer world. Then I'm going to go over here. Okay, I'm going to backspace out of this and get rid of the type here. And I'm going to go to Edit, Paste. And look at that, it's there. I can then highlight it and maybe make the font a little bit smaller to make sure that my whole paragraph is going to fit on one page. Okay, another way to do it is to come over, highlight, and you can do Control C. Okay, that's a shortcut for copy. Control C once it's highlighted. Click back over to slide 11, double click to make my cursor appear, and then Control V is paste, right? Nice and easy. Then I come over here, I'm going to do it again. Control C, Control V, and then this last one, Control C, Control V, and look, my paragraph is put together. Now you'll also notice that it's all different font sizes right now, and I really want it to all be one font size. Also, I want to make sure that this all fits here. So I'm going to highlight the whole thing, and I'm going to click here and ask that it all be a size 14. That way it will all match. So I can go here to font size and choose 14. If you need a second slide to, if your paragraph doesn't all fit in one, then there will be a second slide on slide 12 where you can also continue to copy and paste. Okay, so if it doesn't fit, but I think most of our paragraphs will probably fit on slide 11. Okay, so that's how to copy and paste within slides so that you don't have to recreate your work. Now remember, once we have a paragraph over here, I need to double check to make sure that all my punctuation is correct, right? So I copied and pasted. Do I have capitals at the beginning of each sentence? Do I have punctuation at the end of each sentence? Right? So copying and pasting doesn't just mean that your work is done because this was a planning page. So you might not have paid that much attention to punctuation and capitalization, but this is a paragraph. So we do want to pay attention to punctuation and everything like that. So after you've copied and pasted, go back through, read it, make sure that it makes sense, check for errors, check for capitalization and punctuation, and then you'll be all done. All right, have fun.